Happy New Year! Now, what are my plans for 2025? Of course, as always, let's expect more data, more fun. Now, this is my third year on YouTube, and I hope to maintain the weekly upload of videos. In the following weeks, I will upload 15 videos focused on fixed income securities with some data analysis in Excel and Python. After the 15 videos on fixed income securities, I go back into machine learning and will focus on a few more applications. Then I dive back into applied mathematics, which again contributes to an existing playlist. And in between I might always do a few videos on statistics in the media to focus on data, not feelings. In terms of content creation, the book on business analytics with Python with my friend Bo-Wai Chen should be available in March 2025. The link is down below in the description. This book covers the whole range of business analytics using Python. In 2025, I will update my 3 Udemy courses focusing on applied time series using Stata and getting started with Stata, and my company valuation course. I don't really plan to add another course because frankly it is a huge amount of time that I need to commit. It easily takes about 6 weeks to complete one course. Again, the links are down below in the description, and very frequently I can offer some discount. Just have a look at the channel pages. Finally, my new book on econometrics using Python will be distributed by 365 Data Science. Now this is more like an ebook with some video content and lots of engaging exercises. So that should be exciting. Finally, you notice my website is up and running, YUNIKARN.com. I simply use GitHub to run it, so I don't spend any money. Now this website just uses a standard HTML template. It has some links to YouTube, Udemy courses, and some additional content in the media, some academic writing, the new book, and so on. So have a look. I will hopefully update the website maybe sometime in 2025, but it's not really my main focus. Finally, in my view, the best way to navigate the content on YouTube and on other sources is to use my GitHub. And here you find repositories linked to all the main playlists, like the data science one, or the simulation one, which then provides further content, codes, and so on, data sets, and also links to videos and links to additional sources. So for me, that's the easiest way to structure my content and to provide additional material. So I hope you will enjoy YUNIKARN in 2025. Thanks very much for watching, and as always, like and subscribe. Have a lovely and healthy 2025.